Take a ride in the 2010 TL. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, backup camera, rear view camera, heated seats, Bluetooth, satellite radio, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.